Hello everyone and welcome to the unboxing and installation of the DIY HikVision 4-channel kit. The kit can be bought through our Lazada store or our Facebook page. The links can be found in the description. This kit comes with a DVR, 2 dome cameras, 2 bullet cameras, 4 coaxial cables, a power adapter, a 4-way octopus splitter, a 1TB hard drive, and a monitor. Unboxing the DVR. It comes with a DVR, a power adapter, a power cable and a data cable for the hard drive, screws which I forgot to unbox, and a quick start guide. The dome camera comes with the camera itself, 3 screws with Toxes, a sticker template for installing the camera properly, and the manual. The same can be found in the bullet camera. When installing the hard drive into the DVR, make sure you have a screwdriver lying around. First, unscrew the 4 screws on the DVR. After the screws are unscrewed, make sure to put them in a small container in order for the screws to not get lost. Once that's done, open the DVR like so. You can now see its motherboard. Now start unpacking the hard drive. Be careful when handling the hard drive because you might get grounded, so it's best to hold it by the side. Next, you want to plug the power cable and the data cable on the hard drive, and then plug the ends of the cables to the motherboard. You will hear a small click on both cables when you plugged it correctly. Now, flip over the whole thing and align the screw holes of the hard drive to the holes of the DVR. Open the screws that came in the DVR and start screwing it in. Once that's finished, close back the DVR and screw it back. Now you have your hard drive installed in the DVR. Setting up the DVR is simple. First, get your monitor and plug the VGA cable to the DVR. And don't forget to connect the power adapter to the DVR. You should hear a beeping sound when it's on. The first thing you'll see is the language selection screen. Select any language and continue. You'll be greeted with the register page. Create your password. Uncheck the email configuration, the GUID export, and the security questions checkboxes. And then create the channel default password. If you haven't unchecked the GUID export box, press back. Once you've advanced to the next page, create your unlock pattern. You will be directed to the main setup wizard. If you don't want to see the wizard on your next startup, uncheck the Enable Wizard checkbox on the bottom left side of the screen. If the date and time settings are fine with you, click Next. We're not going to mess up the settings on this page, so skip that one. The third part of the wizard is the hard disk space. Just simply click the checkbox on the row where your hard drive is present and click Init. This will initialize the hard drive, so just wait a few seconds until the screen shows that you have now space on your drive. The next part of the wizard, skip it for now because we haven't set up the cameras yet. Now for the network access, click on the checkbox. It will open up a window where you will type your own activation code. Now click on the checkbox and click OK, then proceed. On the last page, you will have the opportunity to change your password. If you don't want to, just skip and finish the wizard. To set up a camera, we must prepare the coaxial cable, the 4-way splitter, and the power adapter. On the coaxial cable, you can find two ends, one with a male power connector and one with a female power connector. Both have a BNC connector for capturing what's in the camera. Start plugging the end with the male power adapter and a male BNC connector to the camera's connectors. Plug the other BNC connector of the cable to the DVR and plug the female power connector to the power adapter. Make sure that the power adapter has the 4-way splitter attached to it. If you have done all of these steps correctly, you will see that one of the channels are showing. Now do that to the other cameras as well. To connect to Hik-Connect, you must first plug a LAN cable from your Wi-Fi router to your DVR. Go to System, Network, Advanced, and then Platform Access. From your phone, scan the second QR code to install the app. After the installation of the app, you must register an account with your phone number or email. Once that's done, press the plus button to add your DVR. It will give you access to your camera, so make sure it's allowed. After that, scan the first QR code in order to access the cameras. The screen will now say that it's added, therefore clicking next. If you have done it all correctly, you can now access the cameras from your phone. And after all that's done, you have your security kit all set up and ready to go. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing and tutorial, and until next time, peace.